Hi, welcome to How to Draw Simple. Today we're going to learn how to draw a dog. Let's start off by drawing the head with a line that goes to the left, drops out slightly, then turns down and curves back like this. For the ear, extend the top end to the right, drop down like so, then turn downward and add a big curve back up to the left. For the body, extend the chin slightly. Then, make a sharp turn down, followed by some zigzags for the fur on its chest. For the back, start from the ear and draw a long line that swoops down to the right and back down like so. Then, add a big C shape here for the hind leg, with a flatter C shape underneath like this for the foot. For the front leg, draw a line curving down, a small bump at the bottom for the paw, and a line going back up at an angle. Then, for the belly, draw a gentle S shape between the legs like so. For the legs on the other side, copy the shapes of the legs slightly to the left. The bottom of the C shape, the flatter C shape underneath, the line coming down, and the bump for the paw. For the tail, draw a line on the back that comes up sharply, and a similar line from the bottom that meets at a point. Lastly, for the face, draw a dot on the head for the eye, another dot on the tip for the nose, and a small bump with a line inside here for the tongue. And now you've got a dog!